During the fifth day of the impeachment trial, the House prosecution panel countered the defense's interrogation of NBI evidence and debunked claims regarding an alleged plot called Oplan Romanov, while simultaneously announcing the removal of two witnesses from their list for Article 4 proceedings. Sheila Natividad has more in this report.
Marami po silang rason, marami po silang katanungan, nalilito po ang taong bayan.
This was how the prosecution panel described the defense team after it raised multiple questions during the cross-examination of NBI Regional Director Attorney Jeremy Lotoc, several of which were met with objections from Private Prosecutor Attorney Amando Virgil Ligutan. House Trial Spokesperson Representative Zia Alonto Adyong stood firm that there is only one question the defense should seek to answer.
Karapat-dapat ba manatili ang Vice Presidente despite the fact na yung kanyang mga pinagsasabi constitute a betrayal of public trust?
The cross-examination mainly focused on the typographical errors committed by Attorney Lotoc during his presentation of documents related to the authentication of VP Duterte's video from her 2024 online press conference. House Prosecution Panel legal spokesperson and Private Prosecutor Attorney Benjamin J. Tolosa Jr. said these corrections do not affect the issue of the alleged grave threats under Article 4 of the impeachment complaint and were merely honest mistakes.
Ito bang mga sinasabing maling spelling, maling petsa, maling docket number, no? Meron bang epekto ito dun sa seryosong usapin ng pagtataksil sa tiwala ng bayan sa pamamagitan ng pagkakaroon, no, ng agreement, no, sa isang mamatay tao na patayin ng presidente?
The defense also claimed during the trial that the Vice President had allegedly received threats to her life, linking this to the alleged Oplan Romanov plot first mentioned by Davao City Mayor Baste Duterte.
Sa aming paniwala, hindi dapat ginagamit ito ng defense, no, na merong Oplan Romanov against the Vice President because it was never. It was, kaya nga kino-confirm ng NBI, nag-imbestiga sila. Sinulatan din ng ating pangalawang Pangulo to shed light on what she knows about this Oplan Romanov kasi it appears na sinasabi nila it was a threat to the Vice President.
Prosecutor Terry Ridon has also debunked the Romanov claims, stating that only Mayor Duterte coined the term and that there was no operation against the Duterte family. Romanov refers to the last imperial dynasty of Russia, whose members were executed with their immediate family during the Russian Revolution in 1918. On the other hand, the prosecution panel maintains that the defense failed to impeach the testimony of Attorney Lotoc.
Hindi po na-impeach yung kanyang mga sinabi dahil siya po ay nagpatunay dun sa mga previous statements made by J.M. Calilong. No? Pinatunayan na authentic ang video, pinatunayan na dumaan sa isang proseso sa protocol ng National Bureau of Investigation.
Meanwhile, Private Prosecutor Attorney Lorna Capunan said the prosecution panel has removed OVP Chief of Staff Attorney Zulaika Lopez and Captain Belinda Bello from its witness list for the presentation of Article 4 of the impeachment complaint. Sheila Natividad, for The Nation.